The Cyrill Ultracolor for the Pixel 8a is one of the most minimal and elegant cases I've ever tested. Cyrill is a sub-brand of Spigen, but aside from the great build quality, the two brands couldn't be more different. Cyrill is much more cheerful, which you can immediately see from the smiley face on the box. The case also comes with a set of cute stickers and even a wrist strap. The back of the Cyrill Ultracolor is very plain, with only a white frame around the camera bar breaking up the smooth finish. I liked this small detail because it highlights the Pixel 8a's unique camera bar design while also removing the hard edges and making it much more pocketable. The matte TPU material on the back is pretty slippery, but Cyrill came up with an elegant solution. A glossy strip with a completely different texture runs down each side of the case. This adds a lot of grip, and although this kind of material normally collects fingerprints and smudges like crazy, doesn't really matter in this case because it's only on the sides. The buttons use the matte material, and I found them nice and clicky. There's a set of holes on the left side of the case to attach the included wrist strap should you choose to do so. The lip is just tall enough to protect your Pixel 8a screen, but I didn't have any trouble using swipe gestures. This is also partially due to the large bezels on the screen itself. The thin TPU build won't offer the most drop protection, but it should be more than enough for everyday use. And again, if you're worried about it, just use the wrist strap. True to its name, the Cyrill Ultracolor comes in some very attractive colorways. I tested the Kale and Deep Sea versions for this review, but it also comes in two more expensive versions with a printed camo pattern on the back. For me, the camo is a bit too much, and the $5 premium for it hurts the overall value of the case. The standard colors cost just $16 though, which is a great deal for what you get. That's a little over half the cost of the official Google case, which comes in more colors, but has some serious issues with build quality and protection. For similar options, check out the Spigen Thin Fit, which only comes in black but has a sleek form-fitting design, and the Caseology Nano Pop, which also has a frame around the camera bump with a unique two-tone design. Learn more about all three options at the links in the description below.